Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a video here on Robinhood. As you can see, I'm looking at it on Robinhood, the platform, and the ticker is HOOD. And it looks like it just listed on July 29th, so a couple days ago. And I was not watching it then. I had heard about it, just wasn't too enthused or encouraged to take a look at it, but it does look like it's had some nice action here. Looks like it's doubled and then some, so some people made some money on this one. Here's a look at the last week, up over 46%, and here's a look at the today, so down 27%. So had a nice run up, and then it's coming back down, so who knows what's going to go on with this one. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. And so 86.53 average of a volume, and a market cap of 42.81 billion. And no ratings on this one yet. And moving on here, Robinhood share dive at 27.6%. Filing sparks worries early investors could sell. And this is just dated 4 hours ago, so today. Shares of Robinhood tumbled on Thursday, snapping a 4-day winning streak after the newly public online brokerage said early investors may sell nearly 98 million shares. Robinhood shares finished down 27.6% at $50.97 a day after they jumped more than 50%. The company went public on July 29 at $38, with its share initially falling below the public offering price before galloping higher. So in a regulatory filing submitted on Thursday, the company registered for the sale of up to 97.9 million shares by early shareholders, and noted that the company will receive any of these proceeds. The filing angered some retail investors and who groused in online forums such as Reddit's Wall Street Bets, and so you can guarantee they're going to be talking about it. Love this picture. I've seen this numerous times. That just looks totally awesome there. I think that's a oh shoot, it's a Volvo. I believe it's a Volvo. I saw this, just the inside without her sitting in there, but that just looks like the most comfortable chair. So awesome. But still, the filing may have prompted some of the traders to take profits after the stock's blistering 4-day run, said Art Hogan, chief market strategist at National Securities in New York. Whether it's existing shareholders being able to sell is new news or not, it appears that to be in the news that the people who pushed its stock up to $85 on Wednesday. So very good gains on this one. I'm surprised that it went that high, but again, who knows? I'm sure there's a lot of people that are diehard Robinhood fans that probably won some of the stock as well. I didn't even think to even look at it that day. Kind of wish I would have now, but that's all in the past. On Thursday, shares of Robinhood were the most traded among clients of Fidelity's online brokerage, which buys out pacing sales. Robinhood also topped the list of the most mentioned stocks on Reddit Wall Street Bets for a second straight day, according to the sentiment tracker on Swaggy Stocks. Buying from retail investors has ramped up the recent days and may be an important factor in propelling the stock higher. Robinhood shares have been $100 million in retail purchases this week. As a note on Thursday morning, by comparison, shares of the video game retailer GameStop saw $352 million worth of buying during the stock's January rally, when they rose up more than 1,600% and $600 million for AMC, when the stock rose more than 500% in the rally later in the year. So lots of going up and down, and on these stocks, and somebody's making some money. So if you're getting in and getting out at the right time, money stuff, Robinhood is more fun with options. And so you could also do an option on this one and make some money. We talked yesterday about the wild rally of Robinhood, which has a 24% on Tuesday, and then up another 50% yesterday. Closed yesterday at $70.39, well above a 38 price in its initial public offering a week ago. And my analysis of the situation has basically to shrug the same meme stock man, and I didn't point to a couple of factors. Buying the dip, diamond hands that are often important to meme stock rallies. And back in January, we all heard diamond hands with AMC and all those particular stocks, but they're still trading them. So, and quite a bit of information in here. Right there, it's January's rally of GameStop. Quite a bit of information in here, so if you want to go right to the source, go to Bloomberg. Moving on here, Robinhood stock drops after news of early investors set to sell shares. And Robinhood shares fell 28% Thursday after filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, indicated that early investors in the company can sell up to about 98 million shares, currently valued at almost $5 billion over time. The filing names more than a dozen shareholders who bought notes that could later be converted to shares ahead of the company's initial public offering. Among the selling of shareholders are tech private equity firm. The investing platform operator said it wouldn't receive the cash from these sales, and that selling stockholders will receive all the proceeds if they choose to sell. So they closed on Thursday at $50.97, still up 34% from the IPO price of $38. Robinhood sinks 28% after early investors filed to sell stock. And this is just stated here again today. And here you can see the roller coaster ride. And so if you got in on this action, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and along with your cost basis, and if you're still holding, or diamond hands, or if you're going to sell, or what your thoughts are with this one. That would be interesting to know. So this goes over the listed seller group of investors who in February took part in a $3.55 billion convertible debt sell by Robinhood as a frenzied surge in meme stocks left it facing a potentially massive margin call. Thursday's following allows those involved in the first tranche of convertible debt to sell half of their shares, while the remaining 50% need to be held until August 25th, right before my birthday. And moving on, over here to the Biz Journals, Robinhood stock plunged 28% after said they're selling 98 million shares. So again, kind of some of the same information. Here's the co-founder, and so I'm sure they're two happy individuals today. So, and just going to scroll through this information since it's some of the same information that we've already went over. And like I said, you can find this in bizjournals.com. Over here to Reddit. Free stock thread, daily discussion, options trading newbie. I did the Christmas tree method. Was quoted. My max risk was $85. It ends up next to Friday. Collateral was, I believe, $50. However, right now the stock is showing a $123 return. Would I owe $123 at the end of the contract, or it stays the same, or do I put the $85 amount? Options trading newbie. And over here to Stock Twits. So if you have any information in regards to the options trader newbie, you can put that in the comments or go right there to Reddit and help the individual out. Over here, Stock Twits currently at 15.97, a low of 33.25, high of 85. Robinhood markets. What? Ears ringing when tinnitus won't stop. 60-second trick. That's kind of interesting, kind of nasty all in the same. HOOD brings back memories. Facebook IPO, learned that lesson. I sold off 2,000 shares 2 days after, not happening with Robinhood. Go uploading tomorrow pre-market. Over here to tip ranks, currently at 15.97, moderate buy, 1 hold, and 1 buy, which shown an upside of 55 with almost an 8% upside, high of 65, low of 45. But if you have any of Robinhood, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis and any other information that you want to share, and that would help us take a closer look at Robinhood. And if there's any other stocks out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.